Hi guys, I know you're still wondering if this really works. People still ask me, people still ask people out there you try to convince to join poultry farming that is it really profitable, guys? Unless you're planning on being a robber or something like that, a con man, I don't know, those sketchy businesses or whatever that is. But poultry farming is actually profitable. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Poultry farming is profitable. I know it's not an easy job. You'll start off from the brooder. Things won't be easy. It's a long journey, especially for layers. It will take you around 4 to 5 months for you to see your first egg. In fact, 5 months normally for you to see your first egg. But trust me, after that, it will be a hell of a ride you're going to love. Trust me. It's just basic life principle. Without patience, without doing what you're supposed to do right, you won't get the money, guys. Unless you're willing to settle for mediocrity, you're not willing to risk it, guys. You won't go past where you are right now, guys. Make sure you risk it. You do the basics right, because the basics are out there. People preach the same message everywhere on all platforms about poultry. Do this biosecurity, get the right feeds, make sure you have the right person to give you the chicks. Don't just get chicks from anywhere. The feeds are a big problem. Make sure you stock enough chicken you can afford to feed up to the time of lay. And then someone is just a starter with little capital wants to start like those big farms out there. Those guys have been in the business for over 10 years. Come on. Start small, hang in there. It's just basic life principle with everything, all businesses. It's not just poultry farming, any other kind of farming, any other kind of business. You have to be patient, you have to hang in there. There'll be hard times, but only those who are willing to risk it, only those who are willing to learn and relearn some other things, only those who are willing to look for knowledge all the time. Because come on, things change all the time. You have to keep up with what is happening. Only those who are willing to learn, change, put in the hard work, be patient, get good feeds, don't compromise feeds. You might find someone wants to do it as big as those other guys we see here on the app, but then they are compromising feeds, they're feeding them anyhow. How will you see eggs as early as 5 months? And then someone else will tell you they've waited for 7 months. Like now 6, 8 months, they have not yet seen eggs. But then they are messing up from day one, guys. Just do the basics right. Make sure you get the basics right. You will thank me later. Just get the basics right. You will thank me later. You'll start seeing the difference. You will see the how quick the eggs will lay, how big your eggs will be. Get the right people to supply with you chicks. Trust me, you'll make it. You will make it. The moment you reach that stage when you're picking eggs, you'll be very happy. You'll be the happiest ever. Because trust me, I bought in those chicken in August. It was 1st August, I remember. But then now it's 12th Jan. I'm picking eggs, guys, 12th Jan. And they're at around 60% production. That means I'm on the right track, guys. But if I hadn't taken that risk, just because people out there saying, guys, chicken farming, chicken farming, true, there are challenges like any other business. Just name one business without a challenge. All businesses have challenges. Just be willing to take the risk. It's worth it, I promise. With Jesse Farms, we're going to be inspiring you guys, motivating you, and telling you from our own personal experiences, guys. We started with 500, but that batch brought in 1,000 chicken, and right now we have around 992. Yeah, around 992. We lost a few on the way, but we didn't give up, guys. We are strong. We knew this has to happen because with the third batch, that is our third batch, we had seen things happening. Worse things happened during the first and second batch. But still, when we go to point of lay, guys, we could calculate, make sure you keep your records clearly and see that it makes sense. There's some profit being made, regardless of the losses that might come in. Now the role you have to play as the CEO, the manager, the owner of that farm is how are you going to manage the challenges? That's what you have to do, guys. Your job is not just to pick eggs and give food and give water. No, no, no. There has to be challenges. But your role is how are you going to manage the challenges? If you get that right, everything that comes up, you see how to sort it, you think tirelessly how to sort it, you look for knowledge, you ask around, you see what to do, you consult here and there. Trust me, you'll start counting your eggs. You'll start counting trays and trays of eggs, and then you'll start selling trays and trays of eggs, and man, that is the time you'll start enjoying yourself. You won't regret, trust me. So what I want to tell you guys is it's worth it. Don't forget to subscribe to this page so that more of these videos keep on coming, guys. Comment, share, ask any question you want. I'll be able to answer in the comment section. Like, share to a friend, guys. Let's put this knowledge out there, because some people are spreading bad propaganda about chicken farming. It is not easy. You lose birds. Nothing is easy in this world right now. Nothing is easy. Just be patient, hang in there, chew what you can swallow. Don't bring in a zillion birds on your first batch. Be willing to learn. You don't have to know everything on the first time. Be willing to learn all the time, and never think that you know everything still, guys, because there are lots of things that come up still on your way. So be willing to learn, and trust me, that day is going to come when you're nodding and counting the come money. That will be the best day ever. And there will be endless days, because you will hustle for those 5 first months, and then you have almost 2 years of collecting money daily. Do you know what it means collecting money daily, guys? That's the best thing ever you can ever do for yourself. You collect your money daily, and then as you're winding up, you sell off the off layers, guys. Can you believe that? You'll sell off the chicken as well as off layers, but still, guys, that's the best. Bye.